Hey, what's up? Fulacine, this is just a video for you for an answer for your switch case question. Um, it doesn't actually have to be an integer. The only thing that you need to make sure is an integer, or it could be of type character or float or double, whatever you want. Is just basically the variable that you plan on using the switch with. So if you declare, like I'm going to use the common like what's behind the door kind of scenario. So like if you had like three doors, like what's behind door 1, 2, or 3, what you do is basically declare the variable for the door so you can store the number that the user is going to enter into it. And then you display the output to the user, which door do you want to enter, 1, 2, or 3. Scan their appropriate response and make sure you scan it using the integer format specifier and scan it into the variable we set aside for their answer. And then pass that variable into the switch function and then basically just ask it if the user chose case 1 or if they chose case 2. And if they didn't choose case 1 or 2, then the only other reasonable, or the only other, selection that they could have made was case 3. So we're going to put that as the default. You don't even have to choose it as a choice, because if they didn't choose case 1 or 2, then they obviously chose case 3. So yeah, and then you want to make sure that at the end of your cases you're breaking them off, because they each need to have a break, otherwise it won't know to drop down to the next case to check if it is right or not right. And that's pretty much it. And if you want just to make sure that everything's running successfully, you could just make sure that it returns 0. And there's your working program. And this is the appropriate way to work a switch, and this is pretty much good in all cases, no matter what program you're using. Thanks.